That was the best.
Night roller coasters are the thing.
I can't scream no more. Karaoke took it away.
Karaoke took my scream. Oh my goodness, when you go in that tunnel, it's just like pitch black on our right.
When I go in that tunnel, I'm like, imagine just clipping the forehead on a rock.
What's up guys, it's Ben from Theme Park Groupie. Thanks for watching our night ride of Kumba roller coaster at Busch Gardens Tampa. This one is a classic and I love being able to ride it, especially at nighttime. I wish you could see the environment for the sake of the video just a little bit more, but that gives you an idea of how dark it really is out there when you're riding this at nighttime. Riding pretty much anything at night gives a whole different spin and I love being able to ride these coasters at night. The most liked comment on our recent Blues Brothers video comes from GotchaTales800. He asked which one of the Universal Orlando Resort hotels was my favorite. I have to say Portofino Bay. It is absolutely gorgeous. And the feel, the vibe, it's just unmatched. Let us know in the comments what your favorite Busch Gardens ride is. The most liked comment gets read on our next video. If you guys did like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.